Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning. First, I think I should mention कि थोड़ा लोगों को difficulty हुई है आने में because of the restrictions or the security measures that we have at this auditorium. So अभी भी कुछ लोग I think बाहर हैं. So a very warm welcome to all of you who are here and attending. Teacher leadership, we have been working for the past 5 years now, and we started during pandemic. The need was felt because the teachers were approaching us for training because pandemic was a time when there was complete chaos and nobody could actually understand how to go about it. So head teachers were all in a fix, the teachers were in a fix. So we started these teacher leadership programs. Sometimes they were called a festival during summers where teachers were engaged to participate in these camps, summits, or conferences to enhance their leadership skills. They were already leading because in the pandemic we realized and people have started working on teacher leadership. So the need for leadership of the teachers was realized during that difficult time. And so these opportunities were created so that those teachers who were confident, they could come forward and they could showcase their best work to the fellow educators. So it has been a platform for the past 5 years, and this year too we had a 3-month-long camp starting 13th of June, and it ended on 16th of August, where 300 people registered, 75 mustered the courage to actually present or register themselves as presenters. And then this competition was held. So I'm just giving you a background of this conference, how we actually had conceptualized this conference. And this all started with a book by Dr. Michael Fullan that was published in March. And since then, I was reading on it, and then I got a hold of the copy. And Dr. Michael Fullan, you know, has been a great leader, educational leader, with reference to school improvement planning, with reference to teacher leadership and educational leadership in general. So we have all been, those who have done M.Ed, B.Ed, or any postgraduate certifications have read these names, Andy Hargreaves and Dr. Michael Fullan. And Dr. Michael Fullan in his book says that 60 years of work that we have been doing with schools, with educational institutions, has completely changed. The times have changed, so we need to have a different approach. And whatever we did in the past 60 years perhaps did not work as we had thought of it, that it will work and it will bring about the required change. And with AI and with the technology advancement that we are in, we need to have a different sort of a focus. Now at Nurul Huda Education, what I have been reiterating and speaking about is self-leadership. Self-leadership for students, self-leadership for teachers, self-leadership for everyone. We all are leaders, we all are born leaders, we all have some specific skill, some specific aspect of our personality in which we can lead and we can learn, and we need to develop that specific strength to be able to make our place as leaders. We all are teachers also. So we cannot say कि teaching सिर्फ limited है teachers के लिए या वो लोग जो education के शोबे से वाबस्ता हैं. अपनी ज़िंदगी में हम कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ा रहे होते हैं. As parents, as mother, as a father, as a sibling. I became a teacher as a sibling. I am the eldest sibling, not just in my own house, but I am the eldest cousin also. So I've been teaching since I was, I think, 12 years old. So teaching is my passion, and from that what I have learned is that we have to keep on growing and developing as individuals. So need of the time where it is chaotic, unstable, we need to work on our own leadership and develop our own skills to be able to do our best as professionals, as individuals, and find meaning and purpose in our lives. And for that, unless we equip ourselves as teachers, we cannot equip the students. हमारा टाइम बहुत अच्छा था, हमारा बचपन बहुत अच्छा गुजरा, हमारा स्कूल लाइफ बहुत अच्छा गुजरा, लेकिन जो हमारे बच्चे हैं उनके जो frustrations हैं, tensions हैं, they are very, very different. And to be able to cater to them, the teachers need to have not only the 21st century skills, but the values that somehow have gone missing in our society. So conference theme note में detail तो हमने सारी लिखी हैं क्या क्या आज की conference का focus है, so I will not go into that. That is why I'm just speaking from my heart कि ये जो हमारा conference है आज का, it's not just conference of this year. We have been working on it. In fact, I started working on it when I left my first job. और हमने पहला अब्बास साहब के साथ किया था, let's put our heads together, heads के लिए. We started off with the heads. Because the head teachers need to understand. और आज की थीम का जो एक पैनल है उस पर भी हम इसी बात पे फोकस कर रहे हैं कि we just not need to build the capacities of our teachers. We need to strengthen the middle. We need to intrigue the top also. The policy makers, the management teams, so that the teachers are able to reach their complete full potential and they are able to deliver what they are supposed to deliver in the schools. And that is guiding children, guiding students, guiding your fellow colleagues to their own highest purpose in life. हम सबको अल्लाह ताला ने अशरफुल मखलूक़ात बना के भेजा है, and to be able to reach that, you have to find the purpose for which you have been sent on earth. So unless you find that purpose and work on yourself, you will not be able to help the students in your classrooms develop that and reach their maximum potential. So this is the main crux of, or the purpose that we have been working on. And you will see more programs and more focused and trainings with reference to teacher leadership and with reference to education leaderships for head teachers also. And as mentioned, you must have seen, we are working on women leadership, we are working on youth leadership, because we cannot just work in one group only. We have to reach out to the community to have a greater impact. And that you will be seeing in our first panel also. We are talking about impacting communities, impacting lives through community development. So thank you very much for being here. You are most welcome, and I hope you all get what you are here for from today's panels and discussions. And we have the top national education leaders here today for the panels and for their keynote sessions. And of course, we have messages from Dr. Michael Fullan himself and Andy Hargreaves, which will be broadcast during the conference, and you will be able to benefit from that also. Thank you so very much.